Hello everyone. Today we're going to make some mushroom logs. So we're going to drill some holes in our log with the inoculation tool. I got this one from North Spore. Then we're going to use our fancy inoculation tool to push some sawdust spawn out into the hole and cover it with a little bit of wax. So I'm going to drill some holes about every 3 inches on the 4 cardinal direction sides of the logs, and then in the spaces between them for a total of 8 rows of drilling on each log. Now that the holes are drilled, tap our inoculation tool into the sawdust spawn, place it over the hole and push down. We'll leave behind a nice filled hole. Wow. Now to do that, 80 more times. Now that the holes are filled, we'll put some wax on them. I'm just using a cheap foam brush. Dab it on there, cover the hole. Wonderful. Now I'll just finish that to the rest of the holes, and don't forget to end. And the log is done. Let it sit somewhere where it's not gonna freeze or dry out. Just like all fungi related projects. It'll fruit sometime. This is a pretty small log, so hopefully pretty quick, maybe 4 to 6 months. I'm using giant logs. It'll take up to 2 years, maybe even to see your first fruit. So have some patience and enjoy your mushrooms.